Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door lock on a Beko washing machine. If your door seems to lock fine, but the machine won't start a wash, it's most likely that you have a faulty door lock, as the machine believes that the door is not locked. Alternatively, another sign of a faulty door lock is your washing machine won't open after a completed cycle, even if the machine is empty. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell and leave us a like too, as it helps us to create more and more appliance fixing videos for you, and you never know when you might need eSpares. Also, let us know in the comments how you get on with this repair. For this repair, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T20 screwdriver. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. The first step is to remove the Torx T20 screw from underneath the door lock. Remove the outer retaining band from off the door seal. Push the door seal inside the drum, giving you access to the door lock inside the machine. Push the small peg located at the top of the door lock into the machine with a flat blade screwdriver. Place the hand inside the machine and hold the door lock. Push the door lock inwards slightly towards the drum, and while doing this, lift it away from the front panel. Remove the communication cable from the door lock. Then twist the emergency door release lever around the door lock and pull away from off the lock. Before you purchase a new door lock, you're going to need to know the model number of your washing machine. This is to ensure you choose the correct part for your exact make and model of washing machine. If you don't know your model number or where to find it, then don't worry. Check out our video on how to find the model number on a washing machine here. Refit the emergency door release cable to the lock. It can only align one way when fitting. And then refit the communications cable to the door lock. Now it's time to reattach the door lock. Ensure the pip is at the top of the door lock before you insert. And if you see here, we've got like a lip, so when we put the lock back into the machine, left side first. Refit the Torx T20 screw to fully secure the door lock into place. If the screw does not fit flush into the cabinet, it means that the lock has not been fitted in the correct position. Refit the door seal around the front panel. Ensure it fits tightly. Refit the outer retaining band around the door seal to fully secure the seal. And there you have it, how to replace the door lock on a Beko washing machine. While you're here, check out our video below on washing machine programs and settings so you can learn more about your washer and get the most from it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the eSpares channel and like the video if it has helped you. Thank you.